Noticing more hair on your brush lately? You're not alone. Over 1 million people deal with hair loss, but why? Hair fall isn't just genetics. Stress, poor nutrition, or even your shampoo could be triggering it. Let's break it down. Here are the top 5 causes. Number 1, stress. Increases cortisol, which can shut down hair growth. Number 2, hormonal imbalance, especially after childbirth or with thyroid issues. Number 3, poor diet. Low protein, iron, or vitamin D is equal to weak roots. Number 4, overstyling. Heat tools and tight ponytails pull hair out. Number 5, harsh products. Sulfates, parabens, and too much washing can ruin your scalp health. Here's how to fight back. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs, spinach, nuts. Try biotin, omega-3, and vitamin D supplements. Massage your scalp to boost circulation. Use mild sulfate-free shampoos. And don't forget, reduce stress. Even 10 minutes of mindfulness a day can help. Your hair isn't gone. It just needs the right care. Like, share, and tag a friend who needs this. Like and subscribe for more Health Bite alerts.